Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make socks into a ball. This will be the easiest tutorial on this subject matter, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. All that you need are two long socks. So as you can see here, these are really long socks, but as long as they're decently long, you can do this fairly easily. So you're going to take both of your long socks and you're going to basically line them up together. So I'm just getting both of them like this, and they're just lined up in the same sort of orientation. They're just sort of matching, if you can imagine that, okay? And now what I'm going to do is, this is the top here with the openings. The openings are at the top, as you can see over here. So I'm going to take the openings, okay, and I'm essentially going to be folding one sock into the other with regards to the opening. So I'm grabbing this opening, and this one is folding into it. So as you can see, I'm sort of grabbing this opening over here. Let me get into the light. I'm grabbing this opening and I'm folding it into it just like that. And I'm going to keep folding into it all of the sock portions. Okay. So now what we have is basically all of the sock portions are in here, and we have a single opening over here. We're going to just sort of compress them down and make them, you know, as like sort of just like an actual ball. Okay, just like that. And we're going to leave just a little bit overhanging of the opening. So this is just a single opening over here. And then all of the socks are inside over here. And you can see we're looking at it inside out. Okay. Now what we're going to do is that we're just going to take this end over here that's loose. We're just going to give it a little twist, just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to take the opening, and with the opening, I'm going to fold it over the balled up portion of the sock. So I'm just folding it over, as you can see, like this. I'm folding it over, and the balled up portion of the sock is now inside, and we have created a sock ball. Look at that. You can obviously make it look a little bit better, more rounded, but we have created a sock ball. Just like that. I'm going to show you one more time really, really quickly and easily. I'm going to just sort of do less talking and more demonstrating. Okay, so we're starting off. Once again, I'll just show you one last time. This is the final time, so pay attention and try it out, and you should be able to get it no problem at all. We're starting off with two long socks. The openings are at the top, and then with one opening, I'm going to pull that opening open, and then I'm going to bring the rest of the socks inside of that opening. Just like that. I'm sort of stuffing them in there. Okay? Now I'm just going to sort of push them down into a ball. And I want to have a good amount of the sock hanging off over here. Not too much, but you want to have a good amount to use over here. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the loose part over here, which is the opening, and we're going to give it one little spin. Okay? Just like that. And then we're going to take the opening, and we're going to bring the opening down over the rest of the sock. Okay? And if you did it right, you should end up with essentially a ball of socks, just like that. Okay, so as you can see, that's the inside over there. You can obviously, you know, bring it over to make it look really, really nice. But what we've ended up with is a very simple sock ball. It was easy to do, and I showed you and told you exactly how to do it in this video tutorial, so hopefully you enjoyed it. And that is truly it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.